Welcome to Ethan's Food Review channel. I recently went to McDonald's, New Lynn, for a drink. First thing. Oh fuck, that's nasty. Oh fucking bitch, it's not even black. That's not even Coke, whatever the fuck that is. Okay, I don't know how to record it. But it's fucking white, it's see-through. You have to be so close to the camera. I got a professional Mexican here to taste test the food, tell me how good it is. Alright, let's see. We got cheeseburger. Shit, what is it? Alright. Hey. So how good is that? Was that good? Yeah, that's the camera. Alright. Yeah, how about this? Oh my gosh, his eyes are... Don't give me those eyes. I gotta test it myself. Yo, that's fucking nasty. Fuck, those people are trash, man. Fucking the whole McDonald's smelled like ass. Those employees should be fucking fired, I swear. At least someone likes it. Good boy. Hey, yeah, he's scared of my driving, but I think he's happy he came out now. No. What the fuck? Alright, I'm fucking done with this.